Swati UL, S3 BA English, roll number 53. I would like to say about lives and works of M.T. Vasudevan Nair, summary and analysis of his novel Mist Manyan. Madathu Tekkepaattu Vasudevan Nair was born on 9th August 1933, popularly known as M.T., is an Indian author, screenplay writer and film director. He was born in Kudallur, Palakkad district. He was the youngest of 4 children born to T. Narayana Nair and Ammalu Amma. He completed his schooling from Malamakkavu Elementary School and Kumaranellur High School. He obtained a degree in chemistry from Victoria College, Palakkad in 1953. He taught mathematics in Pattambi Board High School and Chavakkad Board High School for over a year and worked in MP Tutorial College, Palakkad during 1955 to 56. He also worked as a Gramasevakan at a block development office in Taliparambu, Kannur for a few weeks before joining Madhubhumi Weekly as sub-editor in 1957. He married writer and translator Pramila in 1965. He has a daughter, Sitara. Works and awards. He wrote several novels, short stories, children's literatures, essays, plays, travelogues, etc. His novels include Nalagetta, The Legacy in 1958, Asuravitha, The Demon Seed in 1962, Rendamudam, The Second Turn in 1984, etc. His short stories include Olavum Thiravum, Ripple and Shaw in 1957, Kaliveedu Playhouse in 1966, Vanaprastham, Into the Forest 1992, etc. He has directed 7 films and written the screenplay for around 54 films. He won the National Film Award for Best Screenplay for 4 times for Oru Vadakkan Veedagatha in 1989, Kadavu in 1991, Sadayam in 1992 and Parinayam in 1994. His Nirmalyam movie received the first film award for Best Feature Film and Kerala State Film Award for Best Film in 1974. He was awarded the highest literary award in India, Jnanapeetham, in 1995 for his overall contributions to Malayalam literature. In 2005, India's third highest civilian honor, Padma Bhushan, was awarded to him. He was won numerous other awards including Kendra Sahitya Academy Award, Kerala Sahitya Academy Award, Vayalar Award, Vallathol Award, Eluthachan Award and Madhurumi Literary Award. He also awarded the J.C. Daniel Award for Lifetime Achievement in Malayalam Cinema for the year 2013. Summary and analysis. Mist Manyan is a novel published in 1964 by M.T. Vasudevan Nair. It is translated to English by V.M. Pramila. The novel is set in the mountains and valleys of Nainital, where Vimala Devi, a teacher in the boarding school, waits in hope for the winter for her discontent to vanish. The ecofeminist theme of patriarchal domination and exploitation gains more prominence in Manyan, M.T.'s only novel with a female protagonist. The novel stands apart as set in a mile different from the usual one, the Vallunadan village. In the novel, all the characters do passive actions. The novel is not written following a chronological order. There isn't much action that takes place in the novel. The entire novel takes place in the mind of Vimala. What Vimala does in the novel is futile waiting for Sudhir Kumar Mishra, her lover. Vimala's counterpart is Buddhu, who is the boatman of the Mayflower boat, which is an ongoing presence in the novel. Buddhu is optimistic when compared to Vimala's attitude. Actually, Buddhu's waiting is real futility and his so-called father, Gora Sahib, will never come to see him. The novel has a colonial subtext and Buddhu is part of this. Buddhu stands for the remains of colonialism left by Britain in India. Buddhu was born out of the sexual thirst of a white man on an Indian woman. Never will Gora Sahib return to India claiming the patronage of Buddha, and probably Gora Sahib would not even knew that he had a son in India. But as far as Vimala is concerned, she has reasons for waiting, as her lover Sudhi may come back to her at some point of time. It is possibility of Sudhi's return is rather than the least. Another character in the novel is Rashmi Vajpayee, a member of the boarding school and Vimala's friend. Vimala sees Rashmi as her own youthful self. Rashmi can be seen as a poetic metaphor of Vimala's past youth. There is an instance in the novel where Rashmi once left the boarding school informing Vimala that she is going to home, when in reality Rashmi went to have some happy moments with her lover. Vimala knew Rashmi from going with her lover, which also tells Vimala is not worried about and she did not have any regret for what happened between she and Sudhir. The presentation of the mysteries of the woman mind, the portrayal of the psychological depth of the woman characters is at its best in the works of M.T. Conclusion. M.T. Vasudevan Nair has beautifully pictured a moving tale of love and longing in mist. He offers an excellent reading experience wherein the readers would get the feeling of mist enveloping them throughout the reading process. The title Mist complements the plot, theme, as well as the setting of the novel. The phenomenon of mist partially limits the sight of people and makes it unable to see beyond a specific point. Likewise, Vimala's love for Sudhi metaphorically limits her sight and she fails to see beyond. Hence, Vimala gets stuck to an particular period in her life. Mist is also a metaphor for Vimala's life, like the mist which gets blown away at times and we see things around among Vimala's life and M.T. deals with. We could see that M.T. sees death not as something to be sympathized, rather he sees death a permanent relief. Boat journey and lake are two constant images in the novel. The lake is a metaphor of life. Boat journey through the lake represents the life which moves forward. Every boat journey always ends where it has started. The same is with life too. The story continues to go on and only the characters change. Here in the novel, Vimala, Buddhu, Sadarji, Nightingale all are waiting for something on or the other. In a way, life itself is nothing but a long waiting. It is to poetry that the novel adheres more to, but one that is based on Vedic Hinduism. Through the characters of Vimala and Buddhu, M.T. presents the theme of hope and longing, two interminate things which define the lives of people and add meaning to it. Bibliography. M.T. Vasudevan Nair, Mist and Creature of Darkness, Orion Longman Limited, published in 1974. P.V. Sribida, Malayalam Literature and Indian Culture, Malayalam Literature, Development of Literature in Kerala. Thank you.